Hello everyone. So it's been almost a year. Do not mind this. It's gonna work itself out. But it's been almost a year since I've recorded a video. And I apologize. Like, I really have been lacking the motivation to really like sit in front of a camera and really just do my makeup. Because like with school and stuff like that. But I'm on my winter break, so hopefully I can really get myself together and really record some content. But this is going to act as my first video, like, coming back. Yeah, so this is going to be a vlog type of video because I'm actually doing a lot this coming weekend. So I'm going to Delaware because my friend is having a party. And it's gonna be a lot of fun. It's gonna be like a little slumber party thing. So I'm gonna vlog everything. I'm gonna vlog everything up until New Year's and like what we're doing for New Year's. I'm gonna be doing a few faces while I'm out there, up there. So I'm gonna show you guys like the finished products of all the faces that I do. I'm gonna be doing my makeup, all of that. So I just want to get on here, say hey. I know it's been a long time, but I'm not gonna do like a really long like explanation as to where I've been. It's been life. Like, it's just life, to be honest. Life has just gotten the best of me. I need to finish packing. I need to wash my makeup brushes, and I need to wash my ass. Wash my ass. So that's what's gonna go. When I finish everything, I'm gonna get back on here. I'm gonna vlog like a little bit of getting my nails done and stuff like that, and I will see y'all after. Okay, hey everyone, so I'm back. I was supposed to vlog again, but I didn't. So now I'm in my friend's car with Kiera, this mother from Kiera.
Hey y'all.
I hope. Wait, let me see if they can see you. Yeah, they can see you. And then this is me. We're about to make these moves before we go to the hotel. And yeah, so the car's packed. We got all the decorations, all the food, everything. So we're about to go to the hair store, grocery store, the liquor store, and to the nail shop real quick. So yeah, you could put that on the floor.
This?
No, my tripod, because it's thin. Yeah, there we go.
So I need some tortilla chips so I can eat this guacamole.
You still trying to eat that guacamole? Guacamole is disgusting.
What? How do you not like guac?
I don't like the texture. I'm vlogging. Say hey.
Hey. I was about to say.
Yeah.
In there talking to herself.
Yeah, I got her a little transmitter thing. It's like a Bluetooth.
Yay! We're about to use it.
She's extra.
About to crank. No more static. If you know me, you know my shit been staticky, honey. Not no more. We lit.
So when you put it, and it's gonna be the KM18. It'll say paired. Paired. And then you play whatever. Now.
Wow. Now let me see. Hold on. Let's all calm down now. You the only one hyped down.
No, really. It's way better than that thing from 5 and Below.
I'm gonna play first.
Play something with real good bass.
Alright.
So you know like it works.
Alright.
And I'm just trying to love you. I'm trying to give my heart to you. Motherfucker around and empty the set.
I got Bluetooth, bitches!
Okay, so we're in ShopRite. Never heard of this store. because we don't have this in Maryland. But we're in the store. I'm highly upset because I wanted to ride the little scooters, but none of them wanted to work. But this man got one. I'm highly upset. You want some? You just want to be fancy. You just want to be fancy and get life water. Ooh, cosmetics, where I need to be.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Come on, so you get alcohol wipes.
So I need to get some makeup wipes, cause I'm doing some faces for the party. You want to try what? Say hey. Extra as hell. Okay.
We might as well go back down this way because the pineapple juicy.
Yeah. You got the nair? Yeah. All right. Crossing stuff off our list. So we're doing good. We're doing good. As far as time, we're not doing the best. We're not doing so good, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. So Chardonnay, this one, is so mad because I gave a homeless man $10.
He wasn't even that homeless.
You sound so annoying.
I hope you too, like, change your shit up, come at your neck, girl. He really was not that homeless. He kind of looked like he was on drugs.
First of all, you don't know what somebody's on.
That's true.
For one. And when you, what's the word? When you do good to others, you'll have good things happen to you. I'm a firm believer in that. So, I mean, he might have used it for drugs, but I don't know. But as long as I know that I gave it to him for a good cause, I know.
That's good. I totally understand it. You will be blessed.
Exactly.
You will be blessed, sis. But 10 is just, you know.
Exactly. And it's winter time. Like, it's cold outside. So we're on our way. We're on our way to Brittany's house to pick up some stuff, and then we're going to head to the hotel and check in and set up and all of that great stuff. I'm vlogging. This is Woomy. Y'all remember her? She was in a video.
And I'm a little better at makeup now.
Yes. Yes. Progression. We like that. Yeah. She's
Yep. Follow me. I'll get to my name when I make a YouTube channel like shit.
I'll put it in the description box. Yeah. So we're enjoying this party.
Wish I had some
Alright, so hey y'all. So I haven't got cute yet. I'm vlogging. So always breaking out, even though these pimples are leaving, which is great. But there's always some, but it's all good. But we just woke up from our nap. We took like a little 2-hour nap before we take this road to my house in Maryland. So she's getting her stuff together. I already got my stuff packed. Most of it's in the car, so yeah. So I think I'm gonna try Checkers for the first time. I don't know yet, but yeah, so that's what we're doing. Or in Maryland, I'll probably get back on here, or when we go to Checkers, if we go to Checkers. So I don't know. So yeah. All right, so we're in the car. Well, Char's getting gas, but I'm trying Checkers for the first time. The fries are good. This burger, I got the bacon roll house. It got like fries. They have so many sauces on the burger. They got ranch sauce, cheese sauce, barbecue sauce. But I told him I don't want none of those sauces, and they gave me cheese sauce still. Which, I mean, it's whatever. But yeah. The burger's okay. I wish it was hot, but it's okay. It's not like, oh my gosh. I think Wendy's burgers are better, because that's the only burgers I eat from like fast food places. Wendy's still has better burgers in my eyes, but it's all right. So yep, then we're gonna get on the road, and then I'll be home, and then we can get lit. We went to the New Year's Eve party to kick back.
Excuse me.
And it was it was cool.
I had more fun falling.
Yeah, she fell in the cold. Y'all, like, it's cold.
And my heel was in the drain, bitch. It pulled my leg.
It pulled her leg.
Like that, I'm telling you, there's no other reason.
Pennywise pulled her leg, trying to get her in there so they can celebrate New Year's together, but it didn't work.
I would have been with the shits if he had. He pulled my fucking leg in the drain.
No, but it's really cold outside. We just want to get some McDonald's and go home. Her heat in her car does not work.
We're at the window for the food.
We're at the window, y'all. Look at the window.
Pull off or do you stay?
Like, we here. We're here.
We made it. But we didn't make it because we've been sitting here for a long time. McGriddles, they're just warming them up.
Yes, they make it seem like they actually cook it from scratch. McDonald's, we know your secret. Like,
they're not even,
everything's microwave. We know this. Like,
warming it up. Like,
this is a lot.
This is a lot of cool.
Everything is cool, you know, bringing in the new year.
2
bacon, egg, and cheese McGriddles.
Yeah. Thank you.
What you mean you got us?
That's
the first order. What do you mean he got us?
Yo, this DMV nigga is about to have my kids.
But whole time she said that he sounded like he's from Florida. I told her,
like a country nigga. Listen,
I'm sorry. I'm married.
Hood nigga.
Oh, girl, put the window down.
Thank
you. Happy New Year.
You a kiss.
I feel like Chris Brown blew me a kiss.
I wanted to just stay there and talk. Like, let's talk.
Is there a large fry in your bag?
No.
What you mean no?
Bitch. It's nothing there. Is it 2 hash browns in there?
It's a hash brown. Y'all, we gotta go back to the McDonald's because they left out my large fry. We waited all that time to get half of our food. Well, not it.
But this is blowing my shit.
No, really. And he smiled and waved. We didn't even get no receipt, so I'm sorry. You just gonna have to believe me, sis.
It's long as fuck.
No, really. Let me take my seatbelt off now. Let me get composured, or however, because I'm drunk.
Wait in line.
I'm not waiting in line.
No, I'm talking about when you go in.
I'm going off on the side.
Yeah,
Excuse
don't even
me.
wait. Just tell him throw you that large fry and let it go.
Everybody, so I'm home. Shard left. That is a whole recap of my whole entire weekend. It was amazing. I was drunk all weekend, so like I need to recuperate. I've been drinking hella water, trying to, you know, yeah. So I thank you guys so much for watching. This is going to be my first basically like my vlog. Yeah, so this is my weekend. It's ending. Today's Monday. Today's New Year's Day. So I just want to say Happy New Year to everyone. I hope you guys, you know, learned a lot from 2017 and are willing to make new changes and all those things in 2018. This is my year of change. It's a lot of things that I want to change about myself, internally, physically, all those things. And yeah, so I think I'm gonna do like a more in-depth video, like reflecting on my year. So this is the end. I hope you guys enjoyed, my friends. I'm about to watch this movie. I'm about to go to sleep. I'm just about to sleep my life away because I'm so tired. I'm exhausted. I've just been doing a lot. So I'm gonna watch this movie, go to sleep. There's my wig head in the background, but I'm about to watch this, go to sleep. I'm going to start my day tomorrow. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you all, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like this video, please subscribe, don't forget to comment any of your New Year's resolutions, just anything you liked about this vlog, you know, any funny parts, because I know it's gonna be funny because my friends are funny. So yeah, so all of that. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one.